Why does your scanner show the P0980 engine code? What does it mean? P0980 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid C control circuit high. This engine code indicates that the TCM detected an electrical issue, such as an open circuit or a short to the power source within the control circuit of the shift solenoid responsible for changing gears. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift solenoid C. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Wiring or connector issues. Transmission control module failure. Transmission malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Pilot and Honda Accord models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.